So we got 2 eggs, and then we put some salsa on top. And we already ate the protein bar, and now we're heading to our first class. And of course we have our coffee with our almond milk in it. And it's abnormally warm today. I walked outside and I checked the weather. I was like, why is it like real warm? It said 39 and windy. I didn't see what the feels like is, but I don't know. I'm happy with this. All I have is a t-shirt and then this coat. And it's keeping me plenty warm. Normally, like, the wind cuts right through you. But anyways, with this coat, I think it's helping a little bit. Done cuties 456 and English. It's time to have this orange. And then it legs quad focused. Alright, so I was just saying that it was getting warmer, and it was almost 40 degrees, but you know, this morning it said 39 when I was walking out of my apartment, and here it is snowing, just like that. Anyways, but I guess I'll just do an ab workout before bed, because I have to be at this building at 4:15, because we have our zone day for Deke. And I have to, number one, eat my second meal of the day, and I have to prepare my third meal of the day and package it up in a Tupperware, and then find a microwave to heat it up once we're at the actual zone day from 4:15 to 8:30. But anyways, we have a couple things to get done, a little bit of homework, 2 meals to make, 1 meal to eat, yeah, that's kind of the plan for the rest of the day. Okay, this is pretty awesome. I mean, I know I complain about the cold a lot, but I do appreciate it when it does snow like this. It's awesome. It's funny, it just keeps getting heavier and heavier. Anyways, high heat, and take a big pot, fill it up with water about halfway, and then put some pasta in a thing and weigh it. Try and get close to 112 grams, which is 2 servings of that. And set it aside and wait while this is boiling. And now we're gonna take some of our meal prepped 93.7 ground beef and try and get to about 4 ounces. Let's see, that's 2.8, a little bit more, 3.5, come on, 4.14, let's take a little bit out. Wow. Hold up, check this out. 3.98, it's pretty close. So you take your 4 ounces of ground beef and you chop it up. And now we're gonna measure out 125 grams, which is 1 serving of this Rayo's marinara. Let's see, a little bit more, 99, 121, 128. We went over, but it's fine. I'll just mix it around. Once you see some kind of bubbles, you can throw this in. Anyways, back to our meat sauce. You're gonna wanna cover it before you throw it in the microwave so your roommates don't yell at you. Bang, throw it in there for 1 minute. Okay, now get some of these tortillas, throw it on a plate. And now we're gonna measure out 4 ounces again with this ground beef. Happens to be 392. We'll get a little bit more on there. 406, that's perfect. Bang. By the way, this is fully submerged and cooking now. Now, 30 grams of salsa, looks kind of like that. You can kind of eyeball it because salsa is not very calorie dense. Chop it up a little bit. Center it. Microwave for, let's say, 30. Get your iceberg lettuce. Now, take a look at this. There's a paper towel in here, and if you get these plastic, bags of already like chopped up, shredded lettuce, it can get slimy and brown and stuff like that. This will collect all the moisture. It's awesome. Anyways, take this, it's done, and you can just do as much of this lettuce as you want because it's practically 0 calories. And then bam, you have yourself a taco, burrito, whatever you want to call it. And that's your lunch. Okay, so you'll know your pasta's done when you throw it against the wall and it sticks. And then you just drain it. Then you take this awesome meat sauce that you heated up before and you just dump it all in there. And boom, that's dinner. But I can't eat it right now. I have to wait. So I'm gonna pack it all up in a Tupperware container and I'll bring it to zone day. And bang, now it's packaged up for later. And I forgot, I'm supposed to eat this with my lunch. So I'm gonna heat this up now. This looks good every single time I make it. Okay, cooked and ate lunch, being the burrito and the protein bar, and we cooked dinner, but for now we're doing homework until I have to leave around like, I don't know, 4:10. Okay, so I'm getting ready to leave and I have to pack some things up. First thing we need to grab is our dinner because we'll be heating that up later. And then we have to grab some of this. And I like to call this my secret sauce. So if we just check out what's in here. You know, if you know, you know. Let's check it out. You know, something light, just a couple, you know. Bring that to go. And it is still snowing a lot. That's all right, because our walk is not long. These dead leaves on the ground, the weird shaped ones, they piss me off, man. They're so ugly. Anyways. That landed. That's crazy. Yeah! We're having some of these sardines. Really excited. I ate like every single meal too. And I'll put a picture on the screen of my lift summarized from today. But you know, I don't have much to say really. Like, you know, it was a good day. The Zoom day was fun, you know. I ate all my meals and I drank all my water, but like when the night was just going on, like I was just having such bad cravings, like Chipotle and like Panda Express and like Taco Bell and stuff. So I was thinking about going and getting Taco Bell, and then I was like, nah, I can't. But then I was like, if I just walk on the treadmill for like an hour, hour and a half tomorrow, I can just cancel it out. But then I was like, nah,